Pulavinaca, everyone. Today is a very great day, an auspicious day for me, especially the Prime Minister being present here and the recommission of this factory. We're all very grateful for all our guests who are here. We thank everybody for coming and making this a great occasion. We thank all my good friends here and families that have come to be and watch the commissioning of our factory. We live in London, my wife and I. I was a young man when I went back home, back to London. Born in Voreqe, in Brown Street. All these years in London, we've established ourselves a huge QSR business. That is KFC's, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, Bainimarama, and various different brands, Island Pokies. We are a very diversified group, and I'm the chairman and CEO of the group of companies. We have investments in Singapore, Malaysia, Netherlands. We also have Morocco and the US. Me being born in Fiji, thought after all these years that I'd come back home and start investing under the leadership of, I call him Frank, our Prime Minister. His leadership and his whole team of ministers. We think Fiji is a great place to invest, and that's why we've diversified in all different sectors. We'll soon be bringing KFC, Taco Bell, and all the other brands here as well to create jobs for our locals. While we have expatriates who will also be coming, but locally, mainly locals. Therefore, we are extremely proud, my wife and I, Latifa, to the Honorable Prime Minister and wife Mary, and my little niece there, to accompany me to come and relaunch the 18 degrees water. This, what you saw, is something that's probably very ancient. What we're going to do is state-of-the-art factory, investing $150, $200 million in upgrading the machines. We've already ordered all that from Italy. We'll be getting all the engineers and guys to get that all assembled. I don't want to take a lot of your time because we're all waiting to eat snack. I see Wella there getting thirsty, just to drink some kava, and our guys. And want to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for cutting the ribbon and making this a very auspicious day. And all my friends and family from Tabua, Ba, Suva, where I grew up.
To check somebody might have stolen your kettle.
Oh, that's it. Pinakavalevu, thank you very much. I could sit here and break for hours. That's what I do normally in conferences. But we are in a hot, sunny day, so we're not going to take a lot of your time. Thank you all for coming, and thank you very much.